not a ferry. Oh, that ferry. I'm gonna need you to tell me.
Just kidding. I'm used to waving. I'm like waving at strangers now.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
there's Michelob.
That's a funny little gal.
Hey everyone, this is Aja from Pandamonium. We are on the road and headed. Dang it, my seatbelt.
I love it. This is Dana with Full Tiny House and the family, and we are pulling out now
Everybody
to
do
meet
their little
Daniela
introduction
Consuela
there,
Canari
Channel.
Cataro Catero.
And this is what I
At
have
the
to go
ferry.
through. Take 2. Anyways, we are headed to the casino. We're gonna take the ferry over to the casino. Everybody say hello.
Who you call a ferry?
Hey.
Howdy. Howdy ho.
Howdy ho. Anyways, we will see you when we get there. So parking is limited and you have to use this dirt lot over here because the other parking lot is full. So Mick is trying to back his trailer and park it. Not the easiest feat to back that thing up. Here's the main parking lot. It's not a big one, so there's limited parking and it's full. Casino parking sucks. Alright, well, we are headed to the dock to take the ferry, but we're gonna stop by the Welcome Center first, because if you stop by the Welcome Center, you can get a voucher so you don't have to pay the $2, which if you want to, it's only $2, but to take the ferry. Right?
Right.
Oh my God, can y'all be any slower, please?
My new jeans in there?
Yes.
That fit?
Yes, your new jeans.
You'll notice here, there is no crack.
Yes, I'm not showing your crack. Ooh, look at the fountain. Isn't that cool? It's a wishing well. Look at all the coins. Awesome. Oh, neato. And they even have an old English telephone booth. Cool. So here is the visitor center. Ooh, that's cool. Look. Look. This is all the visitors. This is where they're from.
Wow.
I know. A lot of visitors. Where are you from? Houston.
Oh, I know there's a lot of people.
Right there, yeah.
Well, let me find, let's see. Conroe's here, so I'm just
Can I have one?
Yeah, and then I have to put the red
San Antonio right there. And also Myrtle Beach.
I put my Houston one there.
Yay. So they have an art gallery here, a small one, at the visitor center. It's pretty cool. Fabric art. Bike rentals.
Hi, Queen Aja. Hi, Queen Aja.
Y'all are so silly.
Let's get to school.
So here is the famous London Bridge right there. And we've got to go that way. They also have jet ski rentals here. pretty cool. Looks like there's some people getting ready to go on the jet skis.
You missed the boat. The next sailing's at 2.
And where's the things? No, I know where the boat is, but I mean to get the vouchers.
There.
He's out there. Look at
That'd be cool if they could go up on the bridge and get a.
You can. There's steps that go on the London Bridge.
So I just checked with the visitor center and they said the voucher is, I thought it was at the visitor center, but it's actually in the local newspaper. So if you want a free ride, then you can just check the local newspaper for the $2 voucher and you don't have to pay, but it's only $2. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get my ticket. Ooh, look at this electric bike. Isn't that cool looking? Called PIM. It's a weird name. The PIM? That
Yeah.
one, how much is it?
They're all PIMs.
And how much is that? Well,
Flat tires are $800. The ones with fenders are $1,100 to $1,300.
$800?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cheap.
Yeah, they're demos from this last year.
Is it, what's the, oh, so they're used is why?
Yeah.
Okay, and what is the motor?
700. Well, it's
Seven.
they call it a 750, but it's 749.5.
Ah, okay. And is it it's a lithium battery?
44 volts. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Do they sell
Okay,
them
thank
used?
you.
They're on charge.
Yeah, $800
That's it?
for the same exact kind I had. I know, right? Dang it.
Is it used though?
Yeah, it is used though. Mine was brand new. This one's used.
Oh, it's got a key to lock.
Yeah, mine has a
the
key.
handlebars too.
Yeah, see, this one has a compartment, but mine just has the battery pack. But yeah, you unlock it there, and then you can get to the battery.
That's jump. I like that.
$800? That's awesome.
Is that it?
I would get another one just to have 2 of them.
You can only ride one.
Don't tell me I can only ride one. I can ride as many as I want
You only
to.
ride one at a time.
That's true. You didn't specify that.
That's true.
That looks good on you, Mick. You should get one.
For balance.
So I really like these bikes. I just figured out why this one is cheaper though, because it has the hub motor, and the hub motors are definitely cheaper. I have the gear motor, the inline, and they're a lot more expensive. So, children, smoothies. Thank you, Cheslin.
You're welcome.
Look at that car boat out there. That is so cool. It's like some old car transferred into a boat. Neat. Here it comes. It's getting closer. That is so funny looking. I love that. Just awesome. That's so cool. Awesome. Bye, awesome boat car. That was wonderful. I love that. Is it gonna lead the boat? It's going in front of it.
It's going to tow us out to sea.
There's London Bridge. We are on the ferry and waiting for it to get going. I'm not sure how long the ride is. Do you know how long the ride is?
I think it's 15 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes? Thank you. 20 minutes. So we're moving. Here we go. Bye, London Bridge. Bye.